win the Sistine Crave the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So I'm actually forgetting one piece of the haul. Let me see if I can find it. Ugh. So the first one is from the Ink Blot shop. I haven't shopped from them before, but I've been wanting to. Jennifer McGuire had some of the products on her favorite things list. So the Ink Blot shop. Little gift, so some cute little sequins. And I went a little crazy, so everything was between 50 and 70% off, I believe. So really good prices. So let me go ahead and get started. So I got this one, which is like a tracker stamp set. Pretty cool. I think it was $20 and then it was half off, so $10. So a tracker one. And then I really like the font. I know there's probably a glare. So this is one that's dates. So months and days of the week for planners. And then here is a calendar. And then we've got this one, which is Bubble Words. And then this one is called Greetings to You. So I hope to be making projects with all of these very soon. I know with my Sizzix, I've been doing shares, but they're just a lot easier, I don't know, to cut dies and make projects than it is to use the stamp sets. Because some of these are, you know, not as easy to make a project with. This one is Chunky Outline Alphabet. And this is Doodled Rainbow Scoops background, which I believe is the one that was on the Jennifer McGuire Favorite Things. And then this Mermaid Scales, which I really liked. And then we're into my Concord and Ninth. So Concord and Ninth had a great deal. It was 20 to 70% off. So everything I bought was 60 and 70% off. You spent $75, you got a free gift. I can't remember which one is the free gift. Hopefully it will come to me. Okay, so this one is Hooray. It's just a die that says Hooray. This was super cheap. I want to say this one was a 70% off one. And this is what it does. Just Love stamp set. So pretty amazing. This one is Merry and Bright with dies, which are humongous, and it's kind of weird how they go together, but they do. And then this is the Hugs and Kisses Turnabout stamp set with the Hugs and Kisses die. And then this one, which is the Birdie Talk Turnabout and die. These were all really an amazing price. This one is Darling Petals and the die. I spent, I think, $75 or really close to it. This is the Sweet Strawberries and the die. And then the Hey There Turnabout and die. Probably have the free one somewhere. Maybe fell out because I just had a lot. So this was my haul. A lot of things here. Hope to be creating with all of this stuff really soon to show you guys before I put it away. So kind of a stack of things I need to put away. And then, so I put it away and clean out my things. I got a lot of things to do. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.